Hi, Daniel Parsons here, and I want to introduce to you the IDoc electric acupuncture device. It's for in-home therapy. I need to give you my disclaimers right away. These IDoc electro-acupuncture devices are in-home therapy devices, and they are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with your licensed medical providers for your healthcare needs. Now, I want to quickly just give you some information. So this is an informational video, and then I'll give you my contact details at the end. So I pull up on my screen share here. And let's go window and go entire screen and share. So let's go here. Okay, let me hide this right here. All right, Aculife IDocs, electro-acupuncture without needles versus acupuncture with needles. Different approach, same goal. Natural pain relief and better wellness. Aculife IDoc, electro-acupuncture without needles. Okay, so you get this, it's similar size of a cell phone. You see the device there. And so it goes up to level 15, works using electric magnetic wave therapy to stimulate acupuncture points and nerves without needles. And then it's a comparison, okay? And so the IDoc from Aculife, the only difference that you see here, this has a detect function, whereas I'm looking down at the third from the bottom benefit. On the acupuncture, there's no detect function, relies on the acupuncturist assessment and experience. And then the small needles also do not have the TAVNS feature. Traditional acupuncturist does not specifically target the vagus nerve via auricular stimulation, and it's a longer time commitment, usually between 45 to 60 minutes, including consultation and the needling. So I'll go back over on the left side. So you got two great options, one goal, your health and well-being. Might as well bring it up here. Choose what fits your lifestyle, comfort, and needs for yourself and your family. Okay, so what I want to share with you is the Aculife IDoc Modern, Smart, Convenient. I'm reading the bottom left. Needle-free and pain-free electric magnetic wave therapy, detect function for smarter targeting. Stimulates your vagus nerve with the TAVNS, and I'll show you that in just a second. Use anytime, anywhere, cost-effective, and safe. Okay, so the benefits, time session is time-efficient. Sessions can be as quick as 15 to 30 minutes. Fits easily into your busy lifestyle. What I do every morning, I have about 30 minutes of Bible study and devotional book study and prayer time. So I hook up my Aculife IDoc, and I also sit my feet in a foot massager that heats your feet and sends the electrical pulse signals up into your feet. And you can contact me for more information about that. I have many videos about that foot massager. So the detect function, it has a built-in body scan, helps detect areas of imbalance or concern so you can target the right acupuncture points. So let me go off of screen share and stop sharing, and let me come back over here. Now here is my IDoc. And so I've got one extra that's never been used. It's still sealed up from the shipment when it arrived. So I'm just going to turn this on. You can use the AA batteries, a couple of AA batteries, or you can use the USB, which is what I'm doing. I have this plugged into my desktop. And so I'm just going to go onto the relieve function, and I'm going to increase the intensity up to 15. Okay, that's the max. And go ahead and start it. Okay. And you have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. So I do 2 15-minute sessions. Now, this is just the vagus nerve ear clips. I'm going to show you the rest of this electroacupuncture features. And there's actually a few ways that you can target 3 different places on your ears. But we're going to do the earlobes right now because that's the most simple. And so I find that vagus nerve stimulation is really hot in the wellness sector. You can find out all kinds of information about the benefits. It sure has helped me sleep better. And I got this a couple of years ago in the summer. So you're going to get really nice detailed information about your the guardian of your health, and you've got all of these energy points. So this is the ancient Chinese acupuncture medicine is it's thousands of years old. So you've got, see here, if you want to target let's call chest pain. It's right here is the chest pain, that point right there. So places that you can work on your liver, your kidneys, your stomach. And I've already given my disclaimer, not intended to treat, cure, diagnose, prevent any disease or illness. And so then it's also got the places here listed for an easy reference guide. So this is very detailed. I like that. And you've got a nice hygienic manual of magic electric magnetic wave. There's a little book here. Highly recommend reading this book. There's some pretty cool information. And so, we were born to be lifelong learners. And I'm in my 60s, so. And you've got all of your descriptions, this is like your user manual. Okay. And so then now you get maybe about 6 to 8. I think there's about 6 extra little sticky pads. And here, when you want to go to do like your finger clip, you would just put the sticky pad on your forearm right there. And then you could take this and you could send the pulse through this clip. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Now that's not all. So this plugs into the same place on the IDoc. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and increase my time because I might as well while I'm sitting here talking to you. Okay. Now here is the one where you're going to be doing something similar to, like, remember I showed it in the hand? So you would just plug this lead into the IDoc, and then you turn it up to the intensity that you can tolerate, and then just start going. And so there's several different places. The testimonials are wild. And then once again, on the little probe, you do need to do the little sticky pad to your forearm. And then that way you're getting, our bodies are electric. So with electric stimulation, you're actually doing some wonderful things. So that's it. This is all of your content. Very, very thorough. When I ordered it was amazing that my device got here in 6 days. Now, this one that I've got in stock here, this would ship from Washington State, where I'm located. If you're in the Portland, Oregon, or Seattle, Washington area, if you would meet me halfway, say like if you're in Seattle and meet me in Olympia, I would consider coming up same day if you called me in the morning, and we could meet up at a business and do business. But the way to get a hold of me, you can email me, healwithdaniel@gmail.com. Or you can phone me, Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. I've had benefits from the ear clips doing my vagus nerve for over 2 years. When I lay my head down at night, it's not 3 minutes and then I'm out like light. And then in the morning, I wake up, I feel really refreshed and charged for the day, and I don't get that afternoon tiredness that I used to get when I was younger. And the other thing that I've noticed is that I can't legally say it's going to help your pain. It does help reduce discomfort levels. I just tore a calf in senior softball. And I've been running the probe, and this way it's helping with my healing process, those fibers that got torn. So now I'm actually probing them, so in that area where it's still sore. So look forward to helping you. Once again, Daniel, Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. Bye for now.